You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that is a little bit confusing. I mean, many people get confused by it, but it's actually pretty easy once you know. It's a name of Hebrew origin. The pronunciation in English is as Seth, right? The TH is pronounced with your tongue on between your teeth, essentially, on your top teeth. Seth. Seth is how you say it, so it's not Set. Seth. That's your correct English pronunciation here. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Seth. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.